Hi, I will be talking about data analytics tools that are used for data analytics. So some of the common tools for data analytics are SQL, Python, Tableau, Power BI, R, and SAS. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is actually a database language. It is used to communicate with database. SQL helps with extract, manage, and manipulate data. SAS. What is SAS? It is actually a statistical analysis tool which helps with analytics, visualize data, and make future prediction. Python. It's very popular. It's an open source program language. There are a lot of libraries to use for data manipulation, data modeling, and data visualization. R. It is also an open source programming language. It is used for numerical and statistical analysis. Tableau, one of my favorite tools for data visualization. It helps create a lot of cool visualizations to present the data interactively. It is a very simple, useful data visualization tool. It helps build reports, dashboards, and show trends. Power BI. It is a business intelligence tool. It helps you ask questions to your data and get immediate results and response. It is also a very great data visualization tool. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you.